Programming with C++. Let's learn how to write a C++ program for different IDEs. There are different IDEs available to compile C++ program. Some of them are CodeBlocks, Dev C++, Microsoft Visual C++, Eclipse, etc. You can even run the program on mobile apps. Go to Play Store and search for C++ compilers. Some of them are Coding C++, CXX, etc. Turbo C++ is an all type of IDE for C++. But in many of the Indian colleges and schools, Turbo C++ is used even today. Now we will discuss how to write a simple program in C++. This program will work for most of the IDEs except Turbo C++. If you want to execute a program on Turbo C++, you need to make some changes in the program that will be discussed in the second part of the video. This is a structure of a simple C++ program. These commands will be discussed in the upcoming videos. We are going to write a program to find sum of two numbers. So when we write a program, we should have a basic idea of memory. So we have learned variable declaration in the previous video. If you don't know what is variable declaration, please watch the previous video. Here I have declared three variables. They are num1, num2 and sum. So when you declare a variable, some memory space is allocated for the variable. So some memory space is allocated for num1 and some memory space is allocated for num2 and some memory space is allocated for sum also. You need to give some instruction to the user what should be done, so that he can follow the instruction and can perform a specific task. Here I have to print enter two numbers on the screen. How to print that? So we can use cout command for printing something on the monitor. So I have written as cout enter two numbers. So enter two number is a string that should be printed on the monitor as it is, so that they are enclosed within the double quotes. Now user can input values into the computer. So which command will be used for inputting values into the computer? So you can use cin command to accept value from the keyboard. So cin num1. This command will accept value for num1 from the keyboard. For example, the user can enter 5 into the computer. So that value is stored for num1. So that value will be stored in the place that is allocated for num1 in the memory. Same as that, we can use another cin command to accept value for num2. Suppose if I enter 10 into the computer, 10 will be stored in the place of memory that is allocated for num2. Next command is used to find the sum of two numbers. So I have written the command as sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Here value of num2 will be added to value of num1 and the result will be assigned to sum. So when you assign the result to sum, that result will be stored in the place of memory that is allocated for sum. So we have calculated sum. Now we can display that. So which command is used to print something on the monitor? We are using cout command. So I have written as cout result is sum. So result is a string that is enclosed within the double quotes. that will be printed as it is on the monitor, and sum is a variable. The value of variable should be printed, so that I have not given double quotes for sum. So it is printed as result is 15. 15 is the value of sum. If you want to execute this program on Turbo C++, you need to make some changes in the program. So I have given the program that will be executed on Turbo C++. The first change I have made is I have included conio.h. Next change is I have included CLR SCR. Then I have included getch. We will be discussing about these commands in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.